Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code and Anaconda for Python development. To start, we're going to open our web browser and search for Anaconda. Navigate to the official Anaconda download page by clicking on the link from your search results. On the Anaconda site, you'll be prompted to enter your email to receive the download link. After submitting your email, check your inbox for an email from Anaconda and click on the link provided to go back to the download page. Select the installer recommended for your system, which in our case is for Windows, and click Download. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click on the installer. Proceed with the installation by following the on-screen prompts, accepting the default settings, but ensure you add Anaconda to your path variables when asked. The installation will take a few minutes. With Anaconda installed, it's time to install Visual Studio Code. Return to your browser and search for VSCode, and click on the first link to visit the official site. Hit the download button for your operating system. After downloading, go back to your Downloads folder and open up the VSCode installer. Install it with the default settings, making sure to select Create a Desktop Icon for easy access. Open VSCode from your desktop or a Start menu. Now you can customize your editor. I'll choose the dark modern theme, but feel free to explore other options. Next, create a new project folder named Sandbox and open it in VS Code. Next, create a new project folder named Sandbox and open it in VS Code. Select Trust the Authors when prompted. Then go to the extension sidebar and install the Python extensions. To test our setup, create a new file named helloworld.py and input a simple print statement, print hello world. If everything installed correctly, the terminal will pop up with our print statement. And that's it. You're all set to start coding with Python and Visual Studio Code using Anaconda. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Happy coding!